Hey guys, look what I got in here. One of the first aquarium filters ever in the hobby, the corner box filter. My Sunsun, I was doing some maintenance the other day, and when you rock the Sunsun back and forth to get the air bubbles out, it sprung a little leak from right here. There's a little seam and it started dripping. I was like, oh, what is that? And I tightened it. Look at this. And it missed the seam somehow. There's a seam like right under that, but it snapped above the seam and water started shooting out. I've had such bad luck with some things lately, but they sell these replacement parts. So corner filter it is.